in today's video we're playing balloons. Okay, so let's speed up the game. So 1, 2, 5, speed now.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, we've already got so much. Got 150. So that's pretty good. Now we can place down our dark monkey. Okay. So my dark monkey won't really help right now because he's not upgraded. But there, we got his first upgrade. And now we got his second upgrade. And then let's get long range darts, and that's really cheap. Okay, and it helps him see. And I can also need camera protection, so let's buy enhanced eyesight. So there we go. We're actually doing pretty good. We got a really sharp shots and enhanced eyesight. And then we place down another dark monkey. There we go. Okay, so that's pretty good. Now open level 3 so we can do that trap. Okay. I'm okay with that placement. I'm okay. Okay, come on. There we go. Oh, we need to upgrade these guys. Okay, so long range guys, and then we need enhanced eyesight because that will help a lot. We only have 150 lives, so yeah. Okay, come on. Open's basically just cooking up right here. Okay, let's go enhanced eyesight. There we go. Now we can see like a little bit of the end trap, but I don't think that'll help anytime soon. Okay, so yeah, Open's basically just cooking up these balloons right now. Okay, but some of those dark monkey. My dark monkeys I barely did any damage. Open's almost did 1,000. But now we're gonna get crossbow monkey. Yeah, Open's did 1,000, but my crossbow monkey is catching up a little bit. So that's pretty good. 300 there we go. We got a spike pool. And that was gonna be pretty good. Okay, so come on. Right, so basically all of these towers are almost level 5 now. Halfway there to eternity. Okay, come on. We're gonna need to start placing some bananas. Can I place it there? Come on. Okay, come on. Let's need a bit more. Okay, then I can place my next banana farm. Okay, just a little bit more. Place our next banana farm right there. When I'm 24 with some camel boots, so that when my crossbow monkey just one tap them. Okay, so that was pretty good. So we got my totem eyes. Come on, there we go. Let's place you there. Okay, come on. Open that monkey has great combo. Okay, open. Target. They literally 2-tap the green balloons. They also 2-tap the yellow balloons. Okay. Oh, we can get shark views. I didn't even notice that. And I forgot to buy banana farms. Okay, but since I got sharks, why not get a juggernaut? Because that will help. Okay, come on. Ultra juggernaut. No, juggernaut. Next is over. So yeah, we're pretty set. Then all we need to do is get super monkey roots. Then we're gonna be pretty set for the world. Okay, yeah, you can one-shot these yellow camel balloons. Not even a thing now because we have a dark monkey. Oh my god, man! My dark monkey is catching up to Open right now. Okay, come on. We need to get the now we should be set for round 40. So we're going to be set for the first boss balloon in the Moab. Okay, so yeah. Now don't forget to collect all our bananas. I might as well upgrade this guy. First, why not? There we go, we can get the laser eye. And then can we get Flappy Bar? We don't really need it. But I think I'm just gonna go got actually a 5th banana farm down. So that's that. 5th banana farm. And one more wave until the farm shows up. Okay, can we get a 7th? 7th banana farm. Let's go. Oh,
Mower.
just place it to
Handle
the
it.
Now we need to kill the smoke. Yes, oh, thank you, guys. We've got 7 good Let's place some over here. Over. And then we can upgrade you to plasma blast. That will help really much. I've got level 8 so far. We're going to get plasma blast. So that's going to be pretty good. And now we need to get this. Whatever, look up. Then we've got ultra balloon so he can pop camel balloon. So now he can help with those just camel balloons, which show up. Okay. And now he can also help with the DDTs. Okay. So yeah. Open basically.
Target.
Oh my god, my diamond is 12,000 bucks. Okay.
Awesome.
Let's go down. Let's place you down. Let's place you down. Let's place you down. This is actually pretty good. Come on. Let's place you down. And now we need to place the final one down. Come on. Make some bananas right now. Okay. We need you to make some bananas. There we go. Now we place it. Okay, so now we got all of these placed down. Let's add placing them to long life bananas. It might take a while, but it's not that long. Oh, I'm not going to do it anymore. Okay, so that's, now we can upgrade this. Okay, now we can start buying value bananas on these. Okay, so let's start buying.
Mower. Handle it.
And buy you. Okay, we're actually doing pretty good. Buy you. Buy you. We've almost got our first section. Research facility and a banana central. Okay, so we got all of these upgrades. And now we can upgrade it to all of these to increase production. And they're gonna produce
Handle it.
Greater production. Okay, so now we can get Dark Knight, then the Dark Knight down. Let's take down a tree.
Nature prevails.
Pretty good. Okay, so let's get all the plantation, which will help with marketing. Okay, so yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's buy this. Oh, what? I just got 200 left there. Wait. Never mind, but we need to upgrade. Oh, it's almost round 60. Ah.
BFB.
Okay.
Handle it.
Come on, we need to kill this. Okay, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.